Hey y'all, welcome back to the Project DIY channel. On today's project, we're going to put some accent lighting on the back of our TV. Let's get started. Alright, 65-inch Samsung TV. And we've got some accent lighting, basically an LED kit that will mount to the back of the TV. It's powered off of the USB port on the TV. This kit came from Amazon, and it comes with a remote control. You can change colors and brightness. Came with a spare battery, and of course the LED lights themselves. A cable to power the lights with. Of course, an instruction manual, and also some clips to mount the light strips on the back of the TV. If you've never seen accent lighting behind a television, it looks really cool. So we'll get this installed, show you what it looks like. Alright, so this kit came with some mounting pieces with double-sided tape. You mount that on the back of the TV and basically stick that over top of the LED piece, the bottom part of it, and that's what holds it on there. These LEDs also have a sticky back on them too, which I'm going to try to use that rather than these. These pieces don't look like they'll work very well, but I'm going to try this sticky back. It has peelable tape on it, and it comes in 4 sections, top and bottom and 2 sides. So anyway, I'm going to try to space them out evenly, still be able to hook them up. These actually stick pretty good. Kind of surprised. Double-sided tape on them is pretty good. Alright, let's hook the power up to it. Push it back against the wall, see what it looks like. Alright, can't really tell much about it in this light. Maybe later on tonight I'll get some footage of it with when it's darker. That is maximum brightness. Of course, like I said, it is. This room is pretty lit up. We have windows all the way around, so once it gets a little darker, we'll see what it looks like. Got a little less light in here now. Makes the accent lighting on the back show up a little more. This is just kind of a dim light. It's only for accent, and it also does make the contrast on the TV look a lot better. With the remote, now I've got it on scrolling. It's kind of smooth scrolling through the colors, but I can change the color. There's red, there's green, there's blue. Then we got some other options over here on the side. That's a little much. That flashes through the colors. That's kind of a smooth scroll through the colors, bright and then back to dim. Then of course back to the smooth setting, which I had it on before. I think I'm going to set this on white. White seems to look the best. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this one. Appreciate you watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit that bell icon. I'm going to post another video with the TV. We're going to build an accent wall in behind it, so you don't want to miss that one. Thank you, guys. See you.